Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue dans une nouvelle vidéo sur Learn to French. Je m'appelle Eden et j'enseigne le français. Hello and welcome to another video on Learn to French. If you are new here, my name is Eden and I teach French. Today's video is going to be about the pronunciation of the letter C in French, la prononciation de la lettre C en français. Est-ce que vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? C'est parti! There are actually two ways of pronouncing the letter C in French. The first one is que, and the second one is se. Que or se. Let's take a look at the first one. Que, like in koala. Now, I know that this is not a word that is starting with the letter C, but I wanted to give you an example of the sound that you needed to make. Que. And this is what we call the hard C. Que. When should we pronounce it this way? The general rule is that before vowels like A, O, and U, your letter C should be pronounced que. So if you have a C and then an A, an O, and a U, you should pronounce the C que. For example, carotte, école, cube, carotte, école, cube. Now let's take a look at the second sound. Se, like super, se. Now this is what we call the soft C. And when should you pronounce it this way? Well, before the vowels E, I, and Y, you have to pronounce your C this way, se. So if you have CE, CI, and CY, it should be se. Of course, when I say the letter E, it's also including all the accents of this letter. Now let's take a look at some examples. Astuce, lisser, farcir, signe. Astuce, lisser, farcir, signe. There is also another case where you need to pronounce the letter C as S, and that is when the C has a cédille. What is a cédille? Well, it's simply the little tail that you see here below the C. You can find this little cédille in words like façon, ça, or reçu. So you see that here the letter C is followed by O, A, and U, but the cédille here cancels the K sound, or the hard C. So basically, when you see the cédille, think of it this way, you have to pronounce the C like the letter S. Is there an exception to the rule? Well, it's not really an exception, but a comment that I would make. Now, let's take a look at the word right here. How would you read it? Celiac. Celiac. And you see here, the letter here is what we call une ligature. So it's the letter O and the E that are attached together in words like celiac or cœur. If the ligature OE is followed by a consonant, the letter C in French will be pronounced S. So if the C and then OE and consonant is there, then you should pronounce it S. For example, in our word celiac, we pronounce it celiac. We have a C and then the ligature, but it's followed by a consonant, so you have to pronounce it celiac. If the ligature is followed by a vowel, you can pronounce it as a hard C or que. For example, cœur is pronounced cœur. C, ligature, and then U. Cœur. Now let's try to practice. Try to read these words out loud. Acupuncture. Acupuncture. Limace. Limace. Maçon. Maçon. cabane, cabane. Pincer, pincer. Concombre, concombre. Silice, silice. Rinçage, rinçage. Récent, récent. Calice, calice. Acérer, acérer. Secours, secours. Follicule, follicule. Cette vidéo est maintenant terminée. Merci d'être resté avec moi aujourd'hui. If you enjoy this kind of content, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel Learn to French. Je vous dis à bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo sur Learn to French. Au revoir.